Hi, Kathy. So let's see if this filter function works. I hope it does. You never know. It could mess up something else. I know you know how to fix up your numbers once we import them. Hopefully, it will allow you to do that. So without further ado, it looks like this. It's the equal filter function. So I did equal filter, and then we're going to choose our table. So I am just going to select the column headings so that when you add to this, it will automatically also add to these worksheets. So I selected the column headings and then comma, and the next thing it's asking for is what it's going to be looking for. So we're going to look in column A. And at this point, because this is a different function, if you wanted to move this back to the end of your table, that would be fine too. I know we moved it to the first column for VLOOKUP, but for this function, it doesn't look like that needs to be. You can have it anywhere. So we select column A, just click up here, and it's going to equal, and then for this one, it'll be the read alouds. And since it's a word, it has to go in quotation marks. So your criteria has to be in quotation marks. And I think that's it. I'm going to hit enter. Ha! Look at that. So it populates. And then the cool thing is, if I go back to the master and I go down to the bottom, this is what I liked. And even if I type it here, RA, and then some gobbledygook or whatever, and I go to the read alouds, it added the record down here. So what I'm noticing is, be careful, don't try to delete things from this page. It won't let you. I was trying to delete it and it wouldn't go away, right? Because it's really coming from over here. So we'd have to delete it over here. So that was one kind of thing that I noticed. And then again, your numbers, because it selects it like this. So hopefully, oh, look at the numbers came in correctly, actually. Ooh, well, that's a good thing then. So you can try that, and then, for each one, it'll be the same, the same thing. You'll just change your criteria right here. So I'll let you play with that. The other thing too, I don't know if you know, is you can just put your information into a table. So, and then you might, for the table, it's a little bit nicer to have headings up here. So type, I don't know if this is the ISBN and title. Sorry for my sloppiness, and author. But for this, we can click anywhere in the data. Now this one, unit 3, yep, that's touching. So as long as everything is touching, we can click here. And I think I might have shown you this. Maybe not. Anyways, on the home ribbon, format as a table. And you can choose any of these designs that you like. My table has headers, so it's going to take this row and turn it into headers, and we'll say okay. So, this is a busy pattern to look at. Okay, that's a little easier. And then from here, you can always come down, and every time you add a new record, you can see it gets populated as part of the table. And then you can sort this, and then you can go back and easily sort the table, but then you would always be copying and pasting too. So hopefully this filter function will work out for you. You can email me and let me know, or maybe I will see you on Wednesday. Again, sorry for the delay.